What do you choose? Growth or family? Starting over feels different when people depend on you, because every decision carries weight. I remember when my babies were little and I was thinking about, oh, I want to move to a white picket fence and hang out with other moms and have this corporate job. Reality, we sat over in an urban area. It took me a while to find other moms because I was so busy in my corporate career. There was no playground in the neighborhood. And so we ended up finding like a zoo that we could go to and other kid-friendly activities. And what I learned in this situation, and continue to learn because we've lived in rural areas, we've lived in suburban areas, is that it's going to feel different when you get there. You're not going to have all the answers, but you have to make a decision based on your value systems, what your interests are, and your goals. Talk to me in the comments.